Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia if today is your first time here. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make peanut butter soup. So I have here cow feet that I've already grilled a little bit, and also I have beef spare ribs and salted beef. I also have here 4 pink fish. I also have here thyme, rosemary and sage, and also ginger and garlic. I also have here chili powder, I also have here Dawadawa powder. It's very healthy and it adds flavor to the soup. So if you have it, you can also add it to it. It takes the soup to a different level. I also have here Calabash nutmeg. Also I have tomato paste and tomato puree. Instead of fresh tomatoes, you can use any tomatoes of your choice. I also have here red onion. I also have peanut butter. Now let's get started. So to a saucepan, I'll add the peanut butter together with the tomato paste, and I'll be cooking it on the medium heat for about 15 minutes, stirring continuously until you see oil floating on top of it. That means it's done. So now to another saucepan, I'll add all the meats, and I'll go ahead and blend the ginger, garlic, onion and the sage, thyme and rosemary together. I'll also add in the Calabash nutmeg. I'll add in a little bit of water and I'm going to blend it. So I'll go ahead and add it to the meat, and also I'll be seasoning it with my seasoning powder. I'll add in the chili powder, and I'll stir and cover and let it cook on a medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. So after 10 to 15 minutes, I'll add in the paprika powder and stir it again. I'll now cover it and cook for another few minutes. So after a few minutes, I'll be adding in the peanut butter paste. I'll stir it and add the beef stock from the meat. So I'm going to add more water to it, and I'll stir it again. Now I'll go ahead and add the tomato puree, and I'll be rinsing it and add another water a little bit to it. So I'll be covering it and cook for a few minutes, and I'll go ahead and add the fish. So at this point, our peanut butter soup is done, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe, and also like, subscribe and share. I'll be serving my peanut butter soup with rice balls, And I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this recipe. And also don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.